how to turn on or turn off prioritize real-time traffic for mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, scroll down and then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. From here, tap on mobile hotspot, tap on the left hand side panel, then scroll down, and on the last option, tap on prioritize real-time traffic. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And here, your phone can prioritize real-time network traffic such as games and video calls that are sensitive to lag. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.